When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way.
Hi guys! Let's wander the beautiful view of Kibanog Nature's Park located at Apuskahoy, Claveria Mis, Oriental. They have a very affordable entrance fee for only 50 pesos. And you can also avail in your cabin for only 1,800 pesos, good for 2 person with free breakfast. This is a very beautiful view, guys. Very relaxing.
Pila pud ka tao ang mag-on sa cabin ko?
Maigo niya ang 4. 4 pero
1,800 ang kuan.
bali ali sa maigo niya ang 4 katao pero ang offer na mo sa amo ang good for 2 lang siya is 1 breakfast.
Pero ang kanang 50 nga entrance, wala na siya libot lang na siya diri. Pero wala siya apil sa swimming pool yan.
Wala siya.
So pila
Kung mag-entrance ka, selfie picture is 50 pesos. Kung gusto lang mag-swimming, 150, bali entrance and plus 100 na swimming.
We have a snake here, guys, which is the python. Platinum koi. You have a rabbit here, guys. And also monkey. If you want to swim, guys, you can swim in their swimming pants for only 150 pesos. By the way, guys, this swimming pants is all natural, no chemicals, no chlorine. This is a natural water. Beside on the swimming pond, guys, there's a river.
I took a drive home to clear my mind, and I ended back at your spot for what felt like the millionth time. Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown,
we have also a camping pool.
way too involved now. I never wanted someone to disappear.
Kibanog Nature's Park is the one new tourist spot which opened on January 2022 in Apuskahoy, Claveria Mis, Oriental. In this place, It provides a very relaxing atmosphere for visitors who want to rest and enjoy.
I let you in too close.
So, what is your waiting for? Let's visit Kibanog Nature Park located at Apuskahoy, Claveria, Misamis, Oriental.